The biggest takeaways I had from the lecture and lecture material were just kind of the structure that you had. I really liked the way that you put down that software actual like architecture implementation and the way that actually kind of ran. I liked the segments that it did. It was very kind of straightforward, and I liked how you kept talking about how it's helpful to have it segmented. And yeah, there's still big parts of code and whatever, but they're segmented. So if you do need to make a change to part A, then you don't need to, adjust the bridge to B, or you just need to adjust the bridge to B a little bit, but you don't need to adjust B or C or D or anything else. You've got it completely set. You've essentially almost set up like a dev environment for each different kind of software implementation, which is really nice, and I really do appreciate kind of that service of it. This is what I have for kind of a software architecture example. So I don't really kind of understand the direct flow of information, but you have the input here. You then have an enrollment web service, enrollment service bean, enrollment service operation, enrollment data access object. Okay, all different things, and each, if you get web service layer, logic layer, data access layer. So if at any point and then needs to go to the full service bean, you would come up here. Again, this is kind of hinting on the essential aspects of what you had kind of touched out about how each is segmented and compartmentalized. And so it comes all the way down and boom, okay, maybe we move to the data access object. Perfect. Kind of we keep moving on and kind of the connections. But if you need to make a change to the enrollment service being here, you've got a specific block change that you make changes to. Potentially, you just make sure your output's the same going this way, your output's the same going this way, and you might need to adjust the input from enrollment web service. But again, you don't have to even deal with anything inside the rest of these boxes or anything anywhere else.